long as we remain united, then we can challenge the government. I also agree wholeheartedly with the statement which was made that we need at this particular time to invest in the economy rather than cutting back on the public sector. We're here in Carmarthen in North Square. Carmarthenshire as a county, Carmarthen town, is almost totally dependent on public sector jobs. Unless we keep those jobs, then we are going to see the economy of Carmarthen being devastated. Mae'n holl bwysig am bod ni ar hyn o bryd yn cadw yn unedig ac yn herio y Llywodraeth ar hyn. George Osborne and David Cameron like to tell us we're all in this together. Well, it's all very well for multi-millionaires to say we're all in this together. I don't think the pain is quite the same thing when you've got millions of pounds in the bank. We're talking about ordinary people, people who have served their communities all their lives, and they deserve to be rewarded. They deserve to know that their pensions are safeguarded for the future. And I think the point which was made earlier about regional pay is very important. When George Osborne said that yesterday in his statement, what it means is that areas of Wales will find themselves in a situation where people will be paid less than other parts of the United Kingdom. And as we see the cost of living rising, those people will feel the pain even more. Mae'n hynod o bwysig ar hyn o bryd am bod ni yn cadw I bwyso'r Llywodraeth yma. It's a bit like deja vu for a number of us. Those of us who remember the 80s, the miners' strike, and even before that, the 70s, when the government, both Labour and Conservative governments, tried to take on the working people of the United Kingdom, tried to destroy the unions. But this time, I think that we are seeing a broader support in terms of industrial action. People who have never ever considered taking industrial action in their lives now feel that there is a need to stand up to this government. Felly dwi'n croesawu yn fawr iawn ar hyn I chi wedi wneud heddiw yn y llongyfarchu ac yn barod iawn I'ch cefnogi chi ar hyd y daith yma. I applaud what you've achieved today and fully support this industrial action. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
John Watkins, Chair of University College Union.